Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called Declutter My Space. And it's an area of your home that needs to be decluttered. I know I have lots of spaces that could use declutter, and it doesn't necessarily mean for spring or Easter. This is a monthly collaboration and it is new, and I would love for you to join me. Come on with me, guys. Now, whether we're doing an entryway or we're decluttering outside or inside or a closet or a bedroom or a specific area of your home, it really doesn't matter. I want to see the before and after, guys. Now, I know this monthly Declutter My Space is going to benefit me because I have so much stuff in my craft room, guys, that I don't think I'll run out of videos for you guys. I really hope that you can join me so that every time you refresh an area monthly in a specific area of your home, we can all see it together. Now, this collaboration is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so as you can see, it's not even a specific room. You see this area right here that I'm decluttering? That's just a little corner. Okay, so there's plenty for me to do. So let's get started, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, I just thought of something funny. Guys, I don't want to move stuff from one area to another and still be moving the bags all the way around the house. And then here I am winding up with the bags in the same corner. We want to sort through the bags, get rid of what we don't need, and then organize what we do have into a pile where this is Easter, this is Valentine's Day, this is 4th of July, this is Mother's Day. Lord have mercy, I need your help. Okay, now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I do this stuff, and then I'm going to see you at the end. Probably pop in and out of the video, but I'll see you at the end. Now, yes, I am trying not to work on my dining room table when I'm crafting, but baby steps, guys, baby steps. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you next month for Declutter My Space, the first Monday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.